Hey guys, what's up? So to mention you guys a full in-depth tutorial on how to fix Zazaremote, the IRR remote, whatever is not working. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that error that you guys get on Zazaremote. So first off, I'm going through everything, guys, in this video. Again, so depending on what phone you have, you might hopefully one of these solutions help. So let's begin the video, guys, without wasting any more time. So first off, head over to settings, and then you guys want to actually enable the developer mode. So scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, and then Status Information, and then or wherever pretty much your build number is on your phone, and then we scroll down and go to the IRR. You guys go down to the build number. You want to click on that like 7 times or whatever, and then it's going to bring you. It's going to pretty much give you the developer options right there. So you either go into the developer option yourself and search for this feature. But the first thing you want to check on is the default. So search up default. So you can have a search button, search up default. So that's actually called default USB configuration. So click on that or tap on that, and then when you just tap on that, it's going to bring you to it. So right here. So first off, you might say charging phone only. Just switch yours over to transferring files, and that's one of the fixes. Also, go to the search and settings and search up OTR. If nothing comes up with OTR, then your phone does not support OTR more than likely. My phone's not either, so don't worry. That's not the issue. If your phone does not support OTR, it means that you have to buy the OTR. And I did buy one from Amazon, and it did not work for me. But I did buy one from the actual app, the actual Zazaremote app, which is this thing right here, and actually it does work for me. So you guys have to buy that if your phone does not support OTR, like mine does not. And you kind of know that when you search up settings on your phone, if you search up OTR in settings on your phone, nothing comes up, then more likely your phone is not supported. Also, when you go to the Zazaremote app and it's saying that IR remote, whatever, not found on the top, then you guys know that your phone does not support it. So the error I'm talking about is that error on top. So this is the Zazaremote app. You guys find it in the Play Store, and it's saying not found IR. So that means that your phone doesn't support OTR, so or IRR, whatever it's called. So pretty much, guys. Also, another thing is if the Zazaremote app is just giving you problems, right? What you guys want to do is actually go to APK Peer. So APK Peer is a great website because it allows you to download power apps, but also allows you to downgrade apps as well. So pretty much you can download, downgrade, or download or older versions or downgrade apps. Like that's what's really cool about APK Peer. So for example, you go to search and then you can update it, but I'll do that later because I'm making the video. And then we're gonna search for Zazaremote. And then after that, we can click. You see, mine says update, but you search it up, and then we can download right here. This is Zazaremote, and then we actually can go to here's a version, version history, and then we have pretty much all the versions all the way down to like as of right now 4.5.6. So the one I have is actually version 5.1.2, I believe. So yeah, I have version 5.1.2. So you could download the latest versions of Zazaremote on Play Store, but I recommend that you guys downgrade to 5.1.2 if you are having problems. If you're not having problems, just keep the latest version from the Play Store. But that's another workaround or troubleshooting or fix is if you guys download this version, because this version at least works for me. So I was messing around with this for hours, guys. I couldn't find out how to fix it. I'm gonna tell you my exact issue, but this is like an older version of their Zazaremote app that down from APK Peer. And APK Peer is a website. You can actually download the app from the website when you add it to your home screen, or just use the website to download it. You don't have to download the app version of it, but I just did. I use it a lot. But this is supposedly Zazaremote's website, so if you are having like any issues that you can't seem to fix, even after watching this video, I know it's weird, but this is on their app, so you guys can, if the IR cannot be detected, please send a screenshot of the Android kernel version information to here. So you also can, I guess, email them and ask them for help along with that information. So that's just another way. It does say right here the supported devices, but again, I don't have that. I don't have one of these devices. I actually have a Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it does work because I downloaded their OTR. Well, not down. I downloaded their app, but also I brought their official version of the OTR from their Zazaremote app. So once you guys open the Zazaremote app, if you actually go to not found IR and click on it, and then it's going to say the one is not found. But again, this is it right here. I was going to say same tip and all that. So tap on get one free. It's not free at to buy the shipping, but still it's like $12 and it's definitely worth it. But you click on get. Well, I already ordered mine, and it took me 3 months to get mine. But it's supposed to take like 1 to like 3 weeks, but it took me 3 months. So don't expect to get this anytime soon. I mean, also my mailing is a little weird, so that could have definitely impacted it. Hopefully you guys get yours soon. But click on view order. Well, I view order, so but for you, you want to order it, and it does cost $12.90, which is not bad at all. I mean, they ship it to you as well, and it's definitely worth it because like I said, it works. At least for me, it works. So you guys, I ordered mine back in June of this year, June 2024. I got mine like September 18th or something. So it's been about 3 months after I ordered mine. But hopefully you guys get yours soon. You can order one for the iPhone, order one for Android Type C, or Type more micro, I think, as well. But most people have Type C, or if you have iPhone, then the iPhone cable, or Type C as well, because the iPhone now does Type C. So order whatever the right one for your phone here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. So whether you're on the app or not on the app, what you're supposed to do, well, how it's supposed to work is that you just plug this into your phone, and you plug it in. This little indicator is supposed to come up, and then like the USB indicator, which I'll show you. You click on OK, and then it's actually gonna flip your device around, because so you can point at the TV when you plug it in to your phone, and that's how it's supposed to work. Okay, but if it's not, it took me hours to figure this out. And I fixed that myself because nothing was helpful that I found. Not like no Reddit pages or videos; they were not helpful at all. A lot of them set, which another troubleshooting you guys can do is go to services on top, and then go to like your settings or whatever, and then you guys actually go to me on the bottom, and then you guys can actually go to like the settings icon on top right, and then you guys can like play around with these settings and like all that kind of stuff, and go to advanced settings, and then push everything or play around with it here. But that wasn't really helpful to me as well. But I'm gonna show you guys the fits for it, but also if you guys plug in, which I'll show you right now. So let's see. Okay, so whether you're in the app or not, I'm gonna actually exit out of the app. When you plug this into your phone, on the bottom, this is supposed to come up, or something like that. On my phone, this does, right? That's it's working. Okay, so then you click on OK, and then it's gonna bring you when you go to the app, and then it's gonna flip over for you, and now it's working. Okay, because it did that. Okay, so now we can go back here, and now we can see on top it's that error is gone. And when we can point at our TV, it works, and the TV will turn on. Okay, so yeah, so you see it's working, guys. TV's gonna turn on. Yeah, it's on. So yeah, it's on. Okay. So, and also when you unplug it, it's gonna come back with that error. So I'm gonna show you right here. Let me take it out. Here's a little wet there. So there you go. That error comes right back up on top when you do it, and then we can flip our device. Well, when we exit out of the app, it's gonna flip back over. There you go, just like that. Okay, so if you guys do plug it in, because the problem was I was plugging it in and it wasn't still connecting. Only how I fixed that is I literally restarted my device. So turn off your device, turn it back on, and that's what fixed it. Like hours of playing around with the settings and all that. What actually fixed it was literally restarting my device. Same troubleshooting thing for computers do. Like most issues are solved. I think like 99% of issues can be resolved by like simply restarting your computer or phone, which is kind of crazy, but that's actually a workaround and fits for that. And the last thing I'm gonna show you guys is another alternative, which is called Me Remote. So obviously, if you don't have the OTR, your device won't work. And this, at least from my experience, does not work on that. It's only working Zazaremote. But if your device, like the device I have, is actually built-in OTR, well, not for this one, but for the phone I'm recording with, which is my Tank 2, that will actually work, which I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so here's right here, Me Remote. This device has a built-in like OTR or IRR, whatever you want to call it. So I don't have to like plug anything in and all that. But this is the alternative. It's called Me Remote. You guys can go to Play Store and search it up. MI space remote. The one I have right here. So that's to Zazaremote. So click open up, and then you can pretty much add your TV, your IR remote. I already have mine here, so I click onto it, and then turn off. As you hear the sound, and it does work properly. Same thing as the other ones. Similarly, you just click on the plus, and then you click on like TV or whatever, and then you just pretty much can search up the brand TV you have. So I have like Samsung, and then you just test it out to make sure it's working. That's it, guys. You can do other things as well. Just like Zazaremote, there's other options: TVs, ACs, fans, and all that kind of cool stuff, projectors. So that's really it, guys. Zazaremote does not work. You can always try the alternative, which is Me Remote. But hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.